These are the top earners of this particular secret website I am about to plug you on. As you can see, the first earner has earned over 5 million naira, the second earner over 3 million naira. Take a look at it. You can get paid in dollars and also in naira. It doesn't matter where you're registering from or your particular location. It doesn't matter. These are even more of Nigerians, more of African workers. Now on this particular website, you have to work. On this website, all you have to do is to click on their ads, read their blog posts, visit different websites, sign up on different websites where they ask you to sign up on. These are apps that you have to post on your social media channels. Now it doesn't matter whether you have a particular amount of following or whether it is a new social media handle. All you have to do is to click on this particular website and sign up. Once you sign up, they will show you ads that will look like this. Now this is what the ads that will be on this particular website actually looks like. This is a TikTok handle ads where they will ask you to either follow the account, like the video, or share, whichever one. As long as you also have a TikTok account, whether it is new or it is old, it doesn't matter, as long as you get the task done. Now the next one here is the one that they will ask you to share on your WhatsApp. These are samples of the ads. I just want you to know that signing up on this website is actually simple, and doing activities on this particular website is actually simple. At the end of this video, I will show you a video of people that have actually made money using this particular website, whether you are in Nigeria or not. Now these are simple ads where you have to do. Now please note that you have to pay a token for registration fee. So I will do a more elaborate video, a more lengthy video, to actually explain to you how you can actually sign up on this particular website. So I can't keep calm. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And if you have not turned on your post notification, what are you waiting for? Please do well to turn on your post notification, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.
So you've been looking for a platform that pays without you referring anybody, and you've heard of ClickSense, and you are still sleeping on this offer. ClickSense has so many streams of income. You earn on ClickSense through your views, number of views you have on your TikTok videos. You also earn on ClickSense when somebody advertises on trades on ClickSense through you. You also earn by publishing AI-generated blogs on the platform, and many amazing features. And you are there, you've not registered on ClickSense yet. All you need is 6,000 naira. And the best part is, when you register with 6,000 naira, you'll be getting a cashback of 4,000 naira into your wallet that you can withdraw, of course, at a specific time. So what are you waiting for?